Right, so before we get into this, I just want to clarify something. I'm calling this an original cut not because it's a square display, we all know that's not original, but the way I get to it is original. At least I think it is. That's why I'm calling this an original cut. But if this cut exists somewhere else or somebody's created it, then I'm sorry. But as far as I know, I came up with this. So let's roll intro and let's get into it. Take number 10. I have no idea why this has taken so many takes. It's a pretty easy cut to do. So I named this cut Zapdos because, well, I kind of like the name and I think it suits. So this is how you do it. You get into a Z grip, not into your traditional Z grip. You get into the horizontal Z grip, which looks something like this, right? So the way you do it is you take your thumb and your middle finger and you place it along the long edges of the deck. Make sure you place your middle finger between, place the right hand middle finger between these two fingers over here, right? But while you're doing this Z grip, you turn your hand downwards, your dealing hand downwards like this, right? So you open the cut like this, kind of like a staircase, if I may, right? So open it up like this. Now you notice that you can hold the packet down over here in this grip, right? So you readjust your grip and hold it like this, and then you slide this packet underneath here, just below the pips like this. So now you're able to hold this in an L shape like this, right? So now you readjust your grip a little bit and take your pinky and put it right over here, just so it just about contacts this packet. Now why is this important? Because this will help you maintain balance and make sure that you don't strip out many cards. So the next step, you have to strip out one card, not two, not three, just one card. The pinky helps in that and it stops the other cards from falling or more cards to strip out. Alright, we'll go over this again. Horizontal Z grip, opening up like a staircase. Hold this in this grip and slide it underneath the pips. Place your pinky finger over here and then strip out one card. That's it, just one, not two, not three. See, when your grip is not right, this is what happens. You strip out more than one card. So strip out like one card. Now once you strip it out, you can hold it like this in an L shape. You take this packet up and then you place it on top of this packet like this, and then slightly readjust your grips to make it a perfect square shape. That was really bad. Let me just do it again. Strip out, take one card with this, place it above here, and then complete the cut like this. I mean, it's a relatively easy cut to do. Won't take too much practice. I mean, yes, it does require a little bit of balance but you should be able to get it pretty quickly. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was the first time I created a flourish, a cut, so I know it's not the best, but I'm pretty proud of it. I think it looks pretty decent, right? So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers. At the time of this recording, I'm at 69. So 31 more subscribers to get to 100. Let's go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.